Why sync Apple Calendar with Google Calendar?
Keeping all your events in one place saves time and avoids scheduling confusion. By syncing Apple Calendar with Google Calendar, you can view and manage all your appointments across devices and platforms, making it easier to stay organized at work, home, or on the go.
Prepare your accounts.
Before syncing, make sure you have both an active Google account and an Apple device with the Calendar app. Ensure you know your login information for both accounts. This will help you move smoothly through the setup process without interruptions.
Add Google Calendar to Apple Calendar.
On your Apple device, open the Settings app and scroll down to tap on Calendar. Select Accounts and choose Add Account. Tap Google, then sign in with your Google account details. Make sure Calendars is switched on. Your Google events will now appear in your Apple Calendar app.
Sync Apple events to Google Calendar.
To show Apple Calendar events in Google Calendar, you'll need to use iCloud. Go to iCloud.com, sign in, and open Calendar. Share your Apple Calendar's public link and add it as a new calendar in your Google Calendar settings. Please note, updates may not sync instantly.
Tips and troubleshooting.
If you don't see events right away, refresh both calendars or check your internet connection. Some features, such as editing events, may only be available in the original app. For real-time syncing across devices, keep both calendars up to date and regularly check your sync settings.